Is your 2013-2018 Hyundai Santa Fe key fob not working from as far away? Does it sometimes fail to unlock the doors? It's likely time to replace the battery. This video will guide you through a quick and easy DIY replacement, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. The batteries usually last 1 to 3 years. The 2013-2018 Hyundai Santa Fe key fob uses a CR2032 3V lithium coin cell battery. Make sure to use this exact type to ensure proper functionality. These batteries are widely available at most drugstores, supermarkets, and online retailers like Amazon, typically costing between $5 and $10. For this replacement, you'll only need a couple of simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. The plastic pry tool is better to avoid scratching the plastic of your key fob. Insulated tools are preferred to prevent static discharge, which can damage the fob's electronics. Locate the small release button or seam on the side or back of your key fob. Using your flathead screwdriver or pry tool, carefully insert it into the seam and gently pry the fob open. Take your time and avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a small clip. Note the orientation of the battery positive side up before removing it. Use your tool or your fingernail to gently pry the battery out of the compartment, being careful not to touch the circuit board. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring that the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Press down gently to secure it in place. Wearing gloves can prevent oil and debris from damaging or affecting the battery. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure that the casing is fully closed and that there are no gaps. The fob should click back together securely. Make sure to reorient the keyring if it was removed. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The doors should respond immediately. If the fob doesn't work right away, try pressing the buttons a few times to allow it to self-calibrate. If the problem persists, double-check the battery orientation. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. A 2024 Consumer Reports survey of 500 Hyundai owners found that 12% experienced key fob failures within the first year post-battery change, often due to improper installation.